Yes, children. Good afternoon, everyone. Let us start the class. Hope all of you are fine. All of you are fine? Happy?
Yes, ma'am. Fine.
Yes. Enjoy the holidays?
Yes.
Yes, very good. But some
How do you do?
not spend the holiday homework. Maybe what you have done, it's good. I have you can check the homework those who have. But what about others, those who have not done? Will you complete it by tomorrow and send it to me? Yes? Those who have not done, will you complete the holidays by tomorrow and send it to me?
Good morning, madam.
Yes, good morning. Yes, children. See, this is again the same. You people are silent, but some other sounds we are getting from the home. So please see that nobody speaks in your room. Okay? So that our classroom is clear to everyone. Is that okay, children? Okay. So we will start our class. Hope you remember what we have done in the previous class before holidays. Did you remember? Did you remember? Show me just. I have. You cannot speak to me right now. Just show me like this. Yes. Type one of you chart. What is the name of the chapter? Type the name of the chapter. Now you are checking, Kartika. Yes. Let me know. Now you can speak out. One of you tell me what was the chapter we have finished.
Important places in the neighborhood.
Very good.
Important
places in
neighborhood.
Very good, very good. Hope people remember this. So nice. Then holidays homework was on what topic? Can any one of you tell me? What are the pictures you have pasted in holidays homework?
Places of worship.
Places of worship. You have pasted the picture of temple and
Mommy.
Mosque and holy book. Isn't it? We have completed the holidays homework and learned many different important places of worship. Now, and today I'm going to show you an interesting thing. Are you all ready? Are you all ready? Yes, very good. And now understand, as I show you the picture, you will love it. Okay, so in the same, all of you should at a time tell me the name of the picture, what I show you. I hope everyone knows about this. Okay, so just give me 1 second so that I can share the screen. And no noise in between if you want to see that. No noise at all. Okay. Yes, children. Do you know who is he?
Shinchan.
Shinchan. You love him? You love him?
Yes. I can see him in this program.
So now, what is he saying?
I can see.
What is he saying here? What is he saying? He is saying that today is Sunday. For him, it is Sunday. Okay. So he loves Sunday. Can you tell me why he loves Sunday?
Because that is a holiday. No, that's it. That's day is holiday.
It's a holiday. Very good. Then why does he why does he like holiday?
Because he's going to play Sunday.
He plays on
He can
Sunday.
play, ma'am.
And important thing, he likes shopping. He likes shopping, isn't it? Does he like shopping?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So he is going and asking his father.
Mitzi, Shinshan, Himawari, Hiro.
Listen. So he is going to his father and asking, let us go out for shopping. Okay. Who else likes shopping here in this family?
Shinshan, Mitzi.
Chan and
Shinshan and Mitzi.
yeah. Yes.
Himawari.
His mother loves shopping, right? Yes, now tell me, what is the name of this family? What is the name of this family? There is a
Small family, large family, large family, small family.
Very good.
Small family.
Yes, listen.
Small family. Small family. Small family.
Shinchan is ready to go out with his family. So where are they now in?
Wow.
They have started going. Okay. So now, while he was in the car, he was to see what the things outside. Okay.
Bank and temple.
Yes, children. See, I am showing you something which you like. Do you like this? Do you like Shinchan? Yes. Then you should listen to me. If everyone speaks always, when I ask you, just tell me answer once and keep quiet. Then I can listen to everyone. At the same time, there is no much noise. Why do you continuously say bank? I can hear. I know, I understand that you are telling me the answer. Isn't it? You want me to continue with this story? Yes? Do all of you want me to continue this story? Then please don't make noise. Just give answer once. Is that clear? Only once. Is that clear? Yes, now. So they have come out of the home. They are traveling in car. While going, he is from through the window. Many things he can see. He has seen a bank. Isn't it? So bank, temples, mosque, malls. Where do you find all these? What are these? The previous chapter we have learned that these are important places in our neighborhood.
This is important place.
Yes, in our neighborhood.
Thank you.
So
Neighborhood.
One of the important places in our neighborhood.
Neighborhood.
Now let me ask.
Neighborhood.
Let me ask one by one. Whoever raises the hand, I will ask. Yes, one of you raise the hand. Who knows what is that we do in bank? Okay, Pradyumna has raised. So tell me, Pradyumna. What do we do in bank?
Draw the money, ma'am.
Very good. We draw the money. And one more thing we have learned. What is that? Yes, Viksha. Yes, Viksha, unmute. Yeah. Yeah, tell me, Viksha. Yeah, we
draw the money and when we want, we will take the money.
Yes, taking is called draw. We draw the money and we deposit the money. We save the money, right? Isn't it? So bank is to draw the money and deposit the money. Yes, Lalita Aditya, what do you want to say? Tell me. Why do we go to bank? See, those who wants to speak immediately.
Go to bank and save money.
Yes, very good. We save money in bank by depositing it. And we take money by drawing the money. isn't it? Very good. Good children, you have learned well. Now, Hasini, we will go to the next picture. Hasini, are you ready? Yes. When he was traveling, he has seen back. Next, he has seen a temple.
Temple, ma'am.
Yes, temple. So what is
Ma'am, in temple we play to
Hasini, what is
pray to God.
What is he called?
Puja, ma'am.
Pujari. We call him Pujari.
Pujari.
He is giving
Pujari.
prasad to a lady, isn't it? Who goes to temple to pray? You have learnt it in the last holidays homework.
Hindu, ma'am.
Very good. Hindus go to temple to pray. Can you tell me what is the holy book of Hindus, Hasini?
Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Bhagavad Gita. But Hasini, I can see that your mother is helping you, right? Is it you are listening to class or your mother?
No.
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, if it is not very good, but children, please tell yourself. If you cannot say, I am not punishing you. We will learn here.
In Ramayana too,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, fine. So now let us move with Shinchan. Okay, now we will go to the next slide. See, he has gone. He's still going in car and he sees something else. Now tell me what he has seen here. Yes, you can speak out, all of you. What is this? What is
Neighborhood.
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 Neighborhood. Okay.
Neighborhood.
Children, listen. In neighborhood, he has what is the seeing here? Post office. What is this? Post office.
Post office.
What is the use of post office to us?
Post office. Give the postcard.
We can buy
Post letters. We can give post box to others. That is postal letters.
Yes, we can buy different postal stationaries. And I let me tell you, I applause for two kids, Saurajesh and Bhumika Singh. Both of them have posted a letter to me. What about others? Only two children. Others are not interested to buy an inland letter and write the letter. Many of you have done holidays homework, good, but only two kids have posted a letter to the school. So nice of them. Now see, Shinchan passes and see something here. What is this? What do you see here? What shop is this? What shop is this? What shop is this? You can find dresses here, isn't it?
Ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I can't see the picture, ma'am. I can't. Here is only
We
black
can't.
and temple
The,
picture.
your screen got freeze.
Okay, okay.
Supermarket, ma'am.
Okay,
Post office and neighborhood.
can you all see the picture now?
Ma'am, dress shop. Dress shop. Post office, ma'am. See. Neighborhood. What?
Yes, he sees post office and here he sees a shop with dresses. Right. Now let us just move on with him to the next shop. Let us see where does he go. See, he has come to a mall where he finds different books and different toys, what he likes. And you know, his mother also likes shopping, isn't it? Now he is asking his mother to get some things which he likes. Can any one of you tell me what does he like to buy actually? All of you see these Shinchan.
And chocolate chips, ma'am.
Yes,
And chocolate chips. Yes, ma'am. Ice cream. Ma'am likes to buy chocolate chips. Ice cream, ma'am. I like chocolate and ice cream.
See, I'm trying to show something which you like a lot, but you are making a lot of noise, children. If this is the way, how can we complete our story? Don't you want to travel with Shinchan? Huh? So now, okay. So now he has come to the mall and trying to buy whatever he wants. Next, he has come to somewhere else. Can you tell me where is he now? Where is he now?
Ma'am, yes, near a cobbler, ma'am.
He's with
Cobbler.
the cobbler. Very good.
Cobbler.
Yes, very good. And now?
Cobbler.
He's with cobbler.
Cobbler.
He wants to get his shoe repaired. He is with cobbler. Very good, children. Now he moves from here and goes to somewhere else. Let us see, where is he going? Yes, he is loving to see this. He liked it so much. Now tell me, where is he?
Yes, he's near a
Yes, good children. He is with Potter now. See, he's enjoying how they are making pots, isn't it? See, they make earthen pots using soil, so mud. So he's enjoying it, isn't it? So he likes that. Now he has moved from there and going somewhere else to see something else. What is this? Where he has come now? Tell me where he has come now.
blacksmith.
He has come to blacksmith, and the blacksmith makes tools from iron, isn't it? You can see the picture how these people are hitting a hot iron to make different tools, isn't it? Now he is moving to somewhere else, not somewhere else. He is telling what he is interested in. Okay, so tell me, what is he first? So here Shinchan says that he likes to become doctor. He likes to become doctor when he grows up. But again, he thinks that no, let me become a plumber when I grow up. So he has different ideas to become after he grows up. Okay, so can you children, you also tell me, what do you want to become or when you grow up? That we will discuss it later. Right now, Shinchan wants to go home. So he says bye. So just say bye to Shinchan, all of you.
Bye, Shinchan. Bye, Shinchan. Bye, Shinchan.
Yes, welcome.
Bye. Bye, Shinchan. Bye.
What you want to do?
Can I write?
Listen.
Bye, Shinchan.
Now, quickly.
Bye, Shinchan.
Shinchan has gone now. Listen to me now.
Bye, Shinchan.
Yes, Shinchan has gone. He has gone to his home to what to do? What for?
What to do?
He troubles his mother a lot, isn't it? All of you, you all of you trouble your parents. Trouble your
I can't hear music.
No, you people are no?
Not able to hear your voice, madam.
Not audible.
Am I not able to hear?
It's breaking.
Okay now?
Ma'am, is crying, ma'am. Ma'am, okay, right, ma'am. Gurdeep is crying, ma'am.
Yes, Shani. Hope you can listen to me. If any problem you have, kindly text. I will see the chat. Now listen to me. See, Shinshan has gone to his home to trouble his mother as usual. Hope you people do not trouble your parents, isn't it? Now, you have to see the video once again. I will send these PPTs. Okay, whatever I have made with Shinshan, I will send it to you through WhatsApp group. See every slide again. And what you have to write is, what are the different places he has visited? Clear? What are the different places he has visited? And what is the occupation of that people whom he visited? So you have to write the place, what he, here Gurudipti, sit properly. You have to write the place where he has visited. Then you have to write what is the occupation. So first you have to learn what occupation is. You have to know the meaning of occupation, isn't it? So what do any one of you know what occupation means? Can any one of you tell me? Yes. Raise your hand if anyone knows what occupation means. Nobody knows? Nobody knows what occupation means? Yes. Yes, Uzair wants to say. Uzair, what does occupation mean? What?
Work done by parents.
Very good. Okay, so what you said, work done by your parents. It's not only by your parents, by different people, isn't it? So now, tell me, are you not doing any work? Are you doing any work? Yes. Bhumika Singh wants to say something. Yeah, Bhumika, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Bhumika? Okay. Before she speaks out, are you doing anything or you are simply sitting idle? Are you doing anything? You are listening.
No, we are students.
Students, but you are doing something. You are listening.
Ma'am, can I one doubt, ma'am? Doing, but we are students and we are listening. Ma'am, I am doing, ma'am. Do it myself. Ma'am, I'm supposed to take the worksheet.
See, first you listen to class. At the end of the class, I will let you know what to do and if will I send worksheet or not, everything I will inform you clearly. But first, let us complete our class. So here, working is like everyone works. Your parents works, your mother is working at home, even she goes to office, your father works in office. You are also working. You are doing something. You are either reading, playing, watching, everything is work. But there are different kinds of works. Like if you are doing something which generate money, which gives the income, monthly income. So that is called an occupation. Okay, but it doesn't mean that others do not work. Right. So different people working in different places to generate some income is called occupation. And there are so many different kinds of occupations. In our slide itself, we have seen today many as bank. So in bank, we can see different people like bank managers, clerks, security, all these are occupations, right? Even security guard works. He watches and he generates income every month, isn't it? Similarly, if the Shinshan becomes a doctor is an occupation and they work in hospital, they treat people, yes. And who else you find in hospitals? You find nurses.
Doctor.
Huh?
Nurses, ma'am.
Yeah, nurses.
Nurses.
Even
Nurses.
Sanitization people.
Nurses is help us doctor.
Okay.
Watchman.
Doctor.
Now, I am going to ask one by one, and everyone has to give me at least one occupation name. Okay, so one by one. First, let me start with Ritika. Are you ready, Ritika? Yes. Tell me one occupation. Ritika? See, as I ask, you should be ready. You should unmute yourself and give me the answer. Ritika is not able to. Sharwani? Immediately.
Farmer, ma'am.
Yeah, Ritika, very good. It's farmer. So nice. Next, Sharwani. Yeah. Say, Sharwani. Sharwani, tell me. Tell me.
Nurse.
Very good. Nurse. Next, Ishan. Ishan, tell me one occupation.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell. Any one occupation. First. What does your father do?
My father do scientist, ma'am.
The scientist. That is so nice. Very good. Next, Dasagnya. Dasagnya.
Barber teacher.
Very good. Barber is a.
Barber.
Very good. Next, Hanusai. Quick. Hanusai.
Police.
Police. So nice. Next, Saurajesh. Saurajesh, quick.
Tailor.
Tailor. So nice. Yes. Next, Srijana. First.
Pharmacist.
Pharmacist. Very good. Next, Madhu. Madhu. First. Madhu. Tell me one occupation. Quick. If your mother does something, father, even that you can tell. Madhu, fast. I am shifting to Sada. Joshita.
Scientist.
Very good, but it is already done. Tell me something else.
Electrical engineer.
Electrical engineer. Very good. Electrician. Yes. Joshita, you need to tell another one. Quick. No. Okay, Abbas. Abbas, you are not here. Next, Viksha. Quickly, Viksha. Viksha, can you give me one occupation name?
Ma'am, my mother is administrator. My father is software, ma'am.
Very good. Working in office, officers, right? So next, Hasini.
My mother do it nurse, ma'am.
Yeah, nurse is an occupation, but tell me something else also, because nurse already we discussed. Not only a parent, something else, any other occupation. Anything. Do you go to temple, Hasini?
Postman.
Yes. Whom do you see in temple? You have muted yourself. Yes, we see Pujari. Pujari is also as doing puja is also an occupation. Yes, Karunya. Karunya first.
Watchman.
Karunya. Yeah, Karunya.
My father is engineer. My mother is school teacher.
Yeah, very good. So engineer, teacher, isn't it? These are the two occupations. Very good. Next, Jashmitanjali. Jashmitanjali, fast.
Document controller.
Huh?
Document controller. My father is document controller.
Document controller.
In COC department.
Oh, electricity department. Fine. Okay, good. Next, Siddharth. Siddharth.
Ma'am, police office.
Huh?
Police office. Police office.
Police or post. Police station, you are saying. Fine. You can find different cadres in police stations, right? Yes, very good. Next, Sharon. Sharon. Fast, dear. Huh?
Doctor.
Doctor. Okay. Next, Mahaveen Safa. Mahaveen Safa. Mahaveen. Not there. Okay. Kartika. Kartika.
Safety officer.
Huh?
Safety officer.
Safety officer. Very good. Yes. Pradyumna. Pradyumna.
Clerk, ma'am. My father is clerk.
Clerk. Fine. Okay. In office, people as clerk. Next, Shruti.
Business and incidents, ma'am. My dad is.
Okay. In
My father
insurance. Very good. Fine. Next, Tridiva. Tridiva. Tridiva not here. Akshaya. 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 You have muted yourself. Akshaya, what you're speaking, I can't hear. Yeah, tell me.
Madam,
Yes.
Hospital attendant.
hospital attender, my daddy.
Good. Attender, hospital attender, that is another occupation. So nice. Next, Bhumika Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, one of the occupations.
Astronaut, ma'am.
Astronaut, becoming astronaut. So nice. Okay, next, Trishal. Trishal Yadav.
Father is business.
Businessman.
Businesswoman. Businesswoman. So nice. Okay.
Hello, daddy.
Shiraj.
Hello, na class జరుగుతుంది. Central government employee, ma'am.
Repeat again.
ఏంటి
Shiraj, repeat.
హలో
Shiraj.
Central government employee, ma'am.
Central government.
Employee, ma'am.
Employee is okay. But what is a okay? Officer. Fine. In office, if someone works in office.
Hello, daddy.
And similarly, you can find so many, all 90.
నా క్లాస్ జరుగుతుంది నా చెప్పేది వినిపించలేదు.
Yes. So children, now listen to me. The one what I have shown you, the same PPT, I will send it to you through WhatsApp. Okay. And even this video, I will send it to you. You can go through it. Then what you have to do is classroom activity I have shown in the same PPT in the last slide. First of all, the question one is, what are the different places Shinshan has gone, is visited, right? Question number two, what are the different occupations that people were doing, right? And question number three, when you grow up, what do you want to become? 2 sentences on it. This is a simple homework for today. So learn that. With this, you are going to learn different occupations. Is that clear? So this is the chapter, the work we do. This, we will do it in detail again in the next class. But till now, but right now, up to this. Fine? Okay then. So bye-bye to Shinshan and bye-bye to you all people. Bye. Any doubt to anyone? If anyone has doubt, can ask me, ask and leave the class.
Ma'am, what is homework, ma'am? Don't to madam. Homework. Ma'am, send the video, ma'am. Ma'am, you can give worksheet. Ma'am.
Yes. If everyone asks in that way, it's difficult. Raise your hand. I will ask the particular person. Who has a doubt? Yes, Jashmitanjali, what is your doubt? Tell me.
Ma'am, you will send the video?
Yes, I will send it after the class. So in that itself, you have everything, even what to do also given in that. Okay. Yes, might be clear for many people, but still Joshita has doubt. Yes, Joshita. What is your doubt?
Ma'am, what is homework, ma'am?
When I tell you in the class, you should listen to me. Till now, I was telling you, no, I will send you the PPT, go through it clearly. Then I have given you 3 questions in that. In the last slide, first question is, where did Shinshan go? Where are the different places he has visited? What are the different occupations he has seen? And what is that you want to become when you grow up? Okay, all these things you can find it in the video itself in PPT what I sent. So you can find it from that. Yes, Shruti, what is your doubt?
Ma'am, homework is not.
Shruti.
Ma'am, not homework?
Yes, homework. It's not homework. Is a home. Do we have homework or not? Okay. Homework is there. I have written all the questions in slides. When I send it to you through WhatsApp, please check it out. Anything else? Something different from this? Any other question? No. Okay. So all are fine with this? Okay then, children. Okay, shall we leave? Okay, bye. I'm ending.